Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can simply use Translate on Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is click on the Google Chrome app, which will redirect you to its search engine. Now you need to type in the URL of Google Translate, which is http://translate.google.com, and you will end up in this kind of interface. Now you can simply type in any message you want to translate. I have shown an example here. Now as my detected language is English, I can also change it into other languages. However, I leave it as English. Now to translate, I'm choosing Chinese as my language. So if I choose Chinese, now my English will be translated into the Chinese language. You can choose to translate the language in any of the language spoken in this world. So this is how you simply use Google Translate on Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful to you all. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching.